This video quickly walks you through on how to find out your iPhone IP address in just few clicks. Let's just get into it.
These are the steps to find an IP address that is assigned to an iPhone. First is to launch a web browser, and in this case, I'll be using Google Chrome for this. As your browser opens, tap in the search area, okay, and then type the text, "What's my IP address?" Can see what I have here was my IP, so I will tap on go. Okay, this has returned some search results. And the first one is pointing at what's my IP address.com. So tap on that first one. It may not be the first on your list, but get to that website. Look for the one pointing at that website, okay? And tap on it. And here we go. You can see my IPv4, which is 102.90 point the rest. The rest is hidden for security reason. So this is the fastest way you can use to find your IP address on iPhone.
I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, okay? So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something more? Okay? Just tell me something, okay? You can check out this video here to learn how to use Microsoft Excel on iPhone in easy steps. Thank you and see you some other time.